vacation, more often than I want to.
There is no rain in the upcoming days.
Thursday. Rain Thursday.
It will continue only one day.
We'll see here. Let me show you. So Thursday's the highest chance of rain. So
Okay.
probably just Thursday. But it's going to get cold next week.
Cold day.
Colder next week. See? Next week, 29, 25, 29. Very cold. I'll bring my puffy jacket for you.
Okay.
I'll bring my jacket.
29. What is Celsius? Minus?
That's cold. Probably minus, right?
Oh.
I got an extra jacket for you.
Okay. Only one day I went to minus when I am here.
It's gonna be cold. It'll
cold.
be a few days next
Yes.
week.
Actually, how much it will go minus here normally?
The coldest it's ever been here is about 15.
Minus 15.
Well, 15 degrees Fahrenheit. So what's
Oh.
Fahrenheit to Celsius?
Oh,
So 15 Fahrenheit. Let's see. 15 Fahrenheit to Celsius. You're at Celsius, right? So it's -9 Celsius.
no, -9. Very
Yeah.
cold.
It's gotten that cold here before. This
Oh.
year.
How much your temperature you will be maintaining in home?
Oh, 70.
70.
Keep it pretty warm.
But not in office. 70.
70's hot to me.
Okay.
Now, summertime, I keep it cold, like 68. So